Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with an extradition for rape. Let's see here. My son is suspected of kidnapping and raping a 14-year-old, and he left to our country. Now they are looking for him to extradite him. How can we help him? Well, first of all, obviously if he left and went to your country, definitely should get him back here. If it is found that you helped him escape, this would be a violation of Penal Code Section 32, accessory after the fact. That's a felony that carries up to 3-year state prison for you, not for your son. Now, regarding your son, I understand why he ran, because he's facing life in prison. And he's facing life in prison because if you kidnap somebody with the intention of rape, you don't actually have to successfully rape them, but if you kidnap somebody with the intention of raping the person under Penal Code Section 661.67, this would carry up to life in prison. Generally speaking, a rape in and of itself is a felony under Penal Code Section 261 that carries up to 8 years state prison plus having to register as a sex offender for life, and kidnapping in and of itself is a felony under Penal Code Section 208 that carries up to 7 years state prison. But here, because the kidnapping was done allegedly for the purposes of rape, then yes, this would definitely follow under 661.67, and he'd be looking at a potential of life in prison. So the best thing for you to do is to get him back here as soon as possible. You don't want to be charged with being accessory after the fact, and speak to a criminal defense attorney as soon as possible. Also, it will be necessary to get a private investigator to interview any witnesses, the victim herself if possible, to see if maybe she may have said something inconsistent from what she may have told the police. If there are certain inconsistencies, that could be a basis for damaging the credibility of her statements. And if the victim's statements are sufficiently damaged, that could be a basis so that a potential jury would not convict your son. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who is looking to clean their criminal record, criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.